Hello everyone, today we would like to talk about what is being done in the world to address the global crisis of vanilla. As you may know, vanilla is a highly prized flavoring used in a wide range of food and beverage products. However, the vanilla industry is currently facing a crisis due to a shortage of supply and increasing demand resulting in skyrocketing prices. To understand what is being done to address this crisis, we must first look at the origins of vanilla. Vanilla is derived from the orchid plant Vanilla planifolia, origin in Mexico nearly 900 years ago, where the Totonac Indians cultivate the plant of tropical regions of Mexico. When the Aztecs conquered the Totonacs in 1427, they discovered the essence of the black vanilla bean that brought flavor and medicinal value to their culture. During colonization, the Spanish conqueror Hernán Cortés met with Emperor Moctezuma while seeking treasure of the New World. He observed that the emperor enjoyed a royal beverage named chocolate. Then the Spanish brought vanilla to Europe, where it became a very popular spice, and transplanted cuttings of vanilla vine to other tropical regions to see if it would grow outside its native region. A hand pollination, a method invented by Albius in 1841, was found to allow that vanilla beans could be produced in other tropical regions. For example, the Bourbon Islands, located near the tip of Madagascar, proved to be the best growing region for vanilla vines. During the last 100 years, vanilla has experienced an increase in availability. Begin cultivate in various parts of the world in order to add its characteristic flavor to different products. This crop is the most labor-intensive in the world, and currently there are over 150 different types of vanilla orchid plants.
Hi, my name is Harman. I'm here to present my second part of the project, which is pure vanilla products. Vanilla has two grades, grade A and grade B. Grade A is usually referred to as a luxury choice and has a surface that is more moist and oily. That is thought to be the finest and making the flavor more intense. And wherever the grade B is also known as extract bean because it helps to create vanilla extract. It has high concentration as compared to grade A because there is less moisture present in it. There are three profiles of vanilla, which is Madagascar vanilla beans, which is the most finest vanilla beans available in the world. And next is vanilla beans from Tahiti, which is very low cost bean variety, but that yields very powerful extract as compared to other. And however, the Mexican vanilla beans is the root of all beans because this bean is dark, smoky, and assertive. And there are three forms of pure vanilla, which is powder, vanilla sugar, and paste. Vanilla powder is more intense than vanilla essence because it's the purest form of vanilla and is made from the dehydrated and finely powdered vanilla beans. However, the vanilla sugar is easy vanilla bean infused granulated sugar recipe. At the end, the vanilla paste is produced by grinding vanilla bean pods, and vanilla paste has denser consistency as compared to the powder and the sugar. Now, there is an interesting thing about the vanillin. You guys might be thinking about what is vanillin. Today, we can go almost anywhere in the world and find vanilla flavoring on the top most prevalent kinds. And the reason is obvious because of this. Because this vanillin is present, which helps to make bake products, pastries, and sweets, and that makes everything taste sweeter. And of course, with the help of the chocolate. Apparently, we have a variety of options to choose from. All of this is not derived from the vanilla bean, and there is a significant explanation for that. Because the vanilla orchards only grow in a specific region, that's why scientists created vanillin so that we have a product so that we can use um, in every product that we need. And now, the main thing is how to deal with this vanilla crisis. And there is two solutions people found for and for the first is Sustainable Vanilla Initiative, which is SVI, which is an organization which is a collective of vanilla flavor and fragrance manufacturers. The member of SPI represents 70% of the global vanilla purchases. The initiative's goal is to stabilize the market and create more sustainable and reliable industry. And another method is stabilizing the market by increasing supply to match the demands, because day by day demands are increasing for the vanilla, but by building and expanding plantation in other countries and increasing the global supply, this problem can be solved. For instance, Indonesia is now the world's second largest supplier. One, but however, one major drawback to this method is the increased cost of production, because vanilla is grown only on the specific region, and to produce high amount of vanilla, it requires cost and the time and the labor as well. However, the wages in other countries are higher than in Madagascar, which is the main region to grow, making this an expensive product ever. And that's the thing. That's it for my part. And now Grace will represent. Thank you.
Hello, this is Grace, and this is part 3 of the Vanilla Bean project. As my team members have discussed the importance of vanilla and the large demand over the minimum supply, there are multiple places around the world that are growing vanilla crops. It is a very lengthy process and still may not be able to supply the large amount of demand that is needed. Almost 90% of the world's vanilla bean crops are now sold green and immature to keep up with the demand, but also lacks the quality due to being rushed. As Harman mentioned earlier, vanilla is made out of the vanillin, which is basically the DNA structure of vanilla. In order to reach the demand, scientists have been looking into the world of synthetic vanilla. There are many materials that have similar DNA strands to vanillin and can be used to actually create synthetic vanilla, like petroleum, which is used often, and corn sugar. Sparrow CTO Ian Klein and chemical engineer John Starr have been developing Sparrow's natural vanilla technology with corn fiber. Corn fiber is really abundant, cheap, and can produce vanilla at a much quicker and larger scale than growing the vanilla crops physically. They extract an ingredient from corn fiber called ferulic acid, which is fermented to make vanilla. Scientists at the University of Florida Institute of Food and Agriculture. Scientists developed a tool to unlock the genetic traits of vanilla bean. A tropical plant geneticist at UF co-led the generation of chromosome scale sequencing of vanilla DNA. They have sequenced 4 vanilla species plants, and it has resulted in a vanilla plant that has improved bean quality, plants with superior disease resilience, and a higher yield to support a new domestic market. They have tested out different species of plants to create a disease-resilient vanilla bean crop to avoid a leading natural cause of vanilla shortage. Although the vanilla crisis has been with us for decades, there is hope for the future thanks to our current technology.